Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, I always bring trending content for you. So today we will know about the legendary Supra A80. But before moving forward in the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep getting new trending videos to watch. Now, let's move on to the video. The legendary A80 Toyota Supra. Power, performance, and undying cool. The Toyota Supra, particularly the fourth generation, A80, is a car that needs no introduction. It's a legend. Produced from 1993 to 1998, and in some markets until 2002, the A80 Supra has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts for decades. Here's what makes it so iconic. 1. The engine, the mighty 2JZ. The heart of the A80 Supra is the legendary 2JZ engine. This 3.0-liter inline-six cylinder came in two flavors. Twin turbo, this version produced a healthy 320 horsepower, though some markets detuned it slightly. But the true magic of the 2JZ was its immense potential for modification. Tuners could easily extract much more power, making the Supra a force to be reckoned with on the track. Naturally aspirated, this variant offered a respectable 220 horsepower. While not as powerful as the twin turbo, it was known for its smooth performance and tunability. 2. Performance prowess. The A80 wasn't just about brute power, it handled beautifully. Rear-wheel drive and a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution made it a joy to toss around corners. The available 6-speed manual transmission only amplified the driving experience. 3. Pop culture icon. The A80 Supra's cool factor goes beyond its specs. It was featured heavily in the Fast and Furious franchise, solidifying its status as a pop culture icon. Even today, it's a popular choice for car customization and video games. 4. A collector's dream. Production of the A80 Supra ended over 2 decades ago, and clean, unmodified examples are becoming increasingly rare. This has driven prices up, making the A80 Supra a true collector's car. Thinking about owning an A80 Supra? If you're looking for a sports car that combines legendary performance, timeless design, and a rich history, the A80 Supra could be your dream car. However, be prepared for potentially high costs, as these cars are no longer cheap. There's also the question of finding one in good condition, but for the right enthusiast, the A80 Supra is a truly special car that will provide endless thrills. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome trucks and cars content. We will back with other video, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.